in the 1850s, there were forms of behavior in the South that many white people in the South considered very disturbing forms of behavior. One of them was the tendency of certain slaves to run away from plantations. Now, we may have an interpretation of why slaves run away from plantations, but there were certain physicians then, like the physicians from whom you just quoted, who thought of that behavior not as an example of social statement by a slave who is trying to change the conditions of his life, but rather as a symptom of a disease. And in fact, the disease was invented. It was called drapetomania. Drapetes is the ancient Greek word for runaway, and mania, of course, means crazy. So these physicians defined a disease in order to enable them to deal with the phenomenon of slaves running away, as if the problem lay not in the institution of slavery itself, but rather inside of the heads of those people who ran away.